Hi there, I'm Richard Rosenthal of the Friedman Rosenthal team at Brown Harris Stevens, and we're here to show you our new exclusive apartment 7D at 30 East 65th Street. Let's go upstairs and take a look. I'm so glad we decided to meet here at Match, right across from our new exclusive at 30 East 65th, because I walked here from our office on Central Park West, through Central Park, gorgeous, up Fifth Avenue, made a left on 73rd and got a little cappuccino at Via Quadrona, my favorite place in the neighborhood, then walked down Madison Avenue, enjoyed all the great boutiques like Prada, Kiwat, Alexander McQueen. You can shop here forever, and it's right by your apartment.
Thanks for joining us here at 30 East 65th Street, apartment 7D. If you'd like more information or a tour, please email us at frteam@bhs.com.